Hey guys, thanks for joining me tonight. So yeah, my cat's little baby kitten walked on there. And I was in here, I was setting up the thing that this arm thing that the camera is in. So she did it right in front of my face. She did it right in front of my face. And I looked down because I put some paint on here because these weren't gessoed or anything. These boards that I got. So just want to see how they do. I usually paint on canvases, but I'm in this phase of trying new things, right? Like, trying a new style of paint pour, or trying to, mix my paints differently from what I hear from people on YouTube. Really like to do. So I have a torch here. Some people use a heat gun, right? To pop those air bubbles. I mixed this paint up a couple hours ago, but I just stirred it, so I don't know. Might still be a little bubbly. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do because, okay, here we go. I'm gonna do like a big circle right here. And I did need to get that now since I'm gonna do this. I am gonna use this blue because I love blue in these. I just absolutely love it. Well, let's see how it goes. So then what do we want to do? I don't know. Maybe some red. This green color I mixed up. It's like an avocado green with a little bit of a medium green. Like, that doesn't say much. I realize that. Okay. This is that Prussian pink, or I don't remember, something. Frost medium into some of the paints. This yellow is a combination of a couple yellows too, because I just didn't want to have too, it looks kind of thick. I didn't want to have too summery of a yellow. Whoops. Oh gosh, I don't like that, what I just did with that cup. I've done this before, you guys, and it just really kind of messes with it. Well, maybe it won't, so I haven't stretched it yet. I hope not. Well, that upsets me. Okay. This color that, whoops, that looks like a brown, it's called red something. Red COCHRE or something like that. I don't know, but it's a red brown, although it looks pretty brown. Okay, I'm gonna put a little white here. It looks like the paint might be moving that way. I might have to put something underneath it so it doesn't keep going that way. Okay, I'll just put that there because I want the paint to move when I tilt it down this way. Okay. This is a thing I like to use because I don't have a marble. I need to get some marbles, but you know, you have to buy like a whole bunch of them. I just need one. Anyway. Okay, so where was it that I had a mistake over here? I didn't like it. I'm not totally seeing it right this minute. Okay, let's get the bubbles out. All right. Okay. Okay, that's going to be it for that. So when you tilt your painting, you're stretching the paint. And you're going to change, you know, the design when you do that, the shape a little bit. And you don't want to get up too many lines. I like to have some separate space. I don't like it to be too jagged. Oh, I see that thing. I see it now. It's right here. Okay, so we're going to just go like that. It's going to help that not to look bad. Okay, there it is. I'm still working on it. I'm liking the shape of it. I'm going to bring it back here this way a little bit before I stretch it over this corner. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, that's good. Now I want to bring that center part back a little bit. So it's a little more centered, even though it's going to be on. I mean, it's not going to be perfectly centered, right? It's going to be off, but I want to just stretch it over this way a little bit. It's a square, so, you know, if I had a spot where I was going to put it, all I'd have to figure out is what part do I think looks best, you know, do I like it better this way or this way, you know, or this way, if that's how I was looking at it, not sure. Yeah, that's how I'm looking at it, is that way. I like it. I think that's pretty cool. It looks like a bull right there. The brown, like, those Taurus horns are coming up. I think it looks cool. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit more. Back over this way now. I like it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go wash up my hands and I'll take you guys down for a close-up. And then I hope I'm still filming. Am I still? Okay, here it is up close. Really pretty colors. I'm very happy with these colors. I like that line right there that goes up. You can see a little bit of the shimmer in the red there. I think I put some in the pink, but it's not showing. I didn't put any in the green. Okay, here's a dip to the other side. Around. See if I can get it more up over it like this. There's that side. And then there's that side. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please follow if you like the video. I think I'm going to do something on the turntable next. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.